if that's the worst. Shit. What the fuck? Because I'm being disorderly conduct inside of an airport.
Intoxication.
Because I spoke too loud inside of an airport. Make it make sense. The flight that I paid for, the money that I spent to be at this airport, but I'm being arrested because I didn't act the way you guys wanted me to act. It's fine. Yeah, use this as content, as you need. Because it's fucked up. Yes, this is what you wanted. You guys stood there and you saw me buy another drink and you never stopped it or said anything about the laws and terms and conditions or whatever the fuck it was. You did that on purpose.
2 women, 1 gate, Fort Lauderdale Airport. 2 arrested under an hour, the second one ending in felony charges. Here is what the law says about all of it.
How you doing, sir? So this one just came up to me behind me. She put hands on me right now, but it was completely like, I had gone and talked to your buddy over there, Taylor, and I told him that I had 2 possible happy hours that I'm probably going to deny boarding because of being loud and disruptive. She was one of them. She just came up to me from behind me, put hands on me. She's like, hey, excuse me.
When you say put hands on you, she just touched you or did she?
She touched my back.
Okay.
She came from behind us. I'm probably not going to let him on the plane, so I'm anticipating that's going to be an issue because they were on the phone really loud, yelling in person a few minutes ago.
Which 2 ladies?
So it's the one that just came up here and the one that was sitting in front of her. I think she must have gone to the restroom because her bag is right there. But there's 2 of them. This is one of them. That's her right there because she actually left her phone, passport, and this boarding pass. She left it at TSA. TSA supervisor brought it to us. When she got up here to talk to us, she was like all loud and, you know, the flight's been delayed 3 hours and this is a bartender delay and all this. I'm like, I'm not going to have none of that. So I was just typing a message to operation when she came up behind me. She said, you know, is this the right gate?
What time are they boarding?
Plane just got here, so it's going to be 10 minutes depending, 5 minutes for cleaning, something like that. About 15, 20 minutes we'll probably start boarding. Okay. I'm anticipating not letting on the plane and then getting really loud. So that's the reason I spoke to her.
I think we have more deputies coming in once they get here.
Okay, that's cool.
Instead of waiting for you guys to start boarding, pretty much make
talk to
contact
them.
from the get-go.
Okay, that sounds good. I appreciate it.
Issue 1 airline authority. The Spirit Airlines contract of carriage is binding at ticket purchase. Airlines have no duty to warn passengers of its terms, and no duty to monitor how much they drink. Subject 1's argument that she was never warned holds no legal weight. Denial of boarding for visible intoxication is lawful and non-negotiable. Issue 2 probable cause. Florida Statutes, Section 856.011, requires intoxication plus a public disturbance. No physical threat is necessary. The gate agent's briefing established that predicate before officers made contact.
I'm not. Because what's going to happen, they're going to get on the plane and the flight attendants are going to call me to get them off. And that just takes longer. I'm just not going to.
Yeah, that's because they were intoxicated. Like
they're being really loud and obnoxious, and people actually were looking at them, like, you know, recording them. Huh? Okay.
Oh, they're coming in.
Yeah, this came from Tampa. Just talk to them.
Tell them, hey, you guys can't fly, and then we'll escort them.
Wonderful world-class people. How
are you? Can I see your boarding pass, please?
Definitely see my boarding pass right here.
I'm going to need to see the whole boarding pass.
Right here.
Okay. What's your name?
Sirana Zephyr.
I need to take a photo of that. Unless you have
A photo of what?
Of the boarding pass.
Why?
Because I need to have your boarding pass.
That's fine. Whatever you need to do.
Have you had anything to drink today?
Somebody can you grab that?
No.
You haven't?
Because I don't know what's going
I'll show
on.
you with a drink on your hand.
Are you with them?
That was fruit punch. Is there a problem? No, we're not. As you can see from my boarding pass.
I mean, that's
So, excuse me.
What's her name?
That one.
Serrano's gonna be up. So you're denying them, right?
I know the girls that I was with. I just met these girls at the airport.
Hey, listen. What's your first name?
Serrano.
Serrano. Step over here so we can talk real quick so I can explain to you what's going on. So I can explain to you what's going on.
At this time, I'm letting you know you're in violation of the contract of carriage, and because you
What's the contract of carriage? I asked you a question.
Okay, don't get loud with me.
I asked a question. Okay, can you explain it?
This time you're being denied boarding. You're not going to be
I'm being denied boarding. That's fine. Give me my boarding pass, and I will let them explain that to me.
Are
Why am I being denied boarding?
They explain you out here.
I'm asking right now.
No.
I don't want to move until I understand why I'm moving.
As of right now, it's just because they believe that you're intoxicated, so they're denying.
So they feel like I'm intoxicated.
That's the
So
reason.
I will call an Uber to go home. You don't want me to go to Atlanta? It's Atlanta. Don't push me. Please don't push me. I can walk on my own.
Then start walking. I'm gonna give you 5 seconds to walk.
I don't care about getting on this flight. I will walk myself out of the airport. You're mad because I don't want to get on the flight? Is it bigger than that? Because if it is, then just say that.
Let's go.
No.
I'm gonna give you 5 seconds.
Let's go.
I'm asking to communicate. You're telling me not to communicate?
Let's go. Let's walk. Let's walk. We can talk outside. Yeah, they're gonna get a refund. Let's
I'm
go.
gonna get a refund?
Yeah.
We're gonna help you out.
Is there like a warrant out for my arrest or something? Because if that's the case, you can arrest me right now. I'm not worried about that. Thank you. Wait. Let me.
That's what you wanted.
Now you're going to jail.
Okay. Well, you should have just said that. Why am I being stupid? Can you take my bag?
No. Now you're going to jail.
You guys are gonna let them lose
Let's
my
go.
bag?
Let's go.
You're gonna let them lose my bag? Oh, so they got my bag. No, that's ridiculous. What's the problem with
can you bring your car
communicating? It's a problem
I'll
with
do it, PC. Can you bring your
communicating.
car to...
I'm right here.
It should not be a problem with
Oh,
communicating.
you want me to meet you at
Oh, now you gotta figure it out. I just want to know, are we communicating?
325.
Why are you pulling on me?
Let's go.
Please do not tug on me.
I'm not.
Can you explain to me what's going on?
Miss,
I'm listening.
give you chances to walk out.
Uh-huh.
Tell you to walk out.
Uh-huh.
You're disorderly.
Okay.
You're intoxicated.
Okay. So now what?
Now you're going to jail.
Oh, okay. If that's the worst. Shit. What the fuck? Because I'm being disorderly conduct inside of an airport.
Intoxication.
Because I spoke too loud inside of an airport. Make it make sense. The flight that I paid for, the money that I spent to be at this airport, but I'm being arrested because I didn't act the way you guys wanted me to act. It's fine. Yeah, use this as content as you need. Because it's fucked up. Yes, this is what you wanted. You guys stood there and you saw me buy another drink and you never stopped it or said anything about the laws and terms and conditions or whatever the fuck it was. You did that on purpose.
Issue 3, Search Incident to Arrest. In United States versus Robinson, decided by the Supreme Court in 1973, a lawful custodial arrest authorizes a full search of the person. No warrant, no exceptions. Officers found oxycodone and Xanax on Subject 1 without a valid prescription. Florida Statutes, Section 893.13. 2 third-degree felonies, up to 5 years each. A misdemeanor stop, a felony record. That chain is entirely lawful. Issue 4, Use of Force. In Graham versus Connor, the Supreme Court held in 1989, that force is judged from the reasonable officer's perspective at the moment, not in hindsight. Handcuffing 2 non-combative but non-compliant subjects is proportionate. Issue 5, First Amendment. Subject 2 made a profane political statement during arrest. In City of Houston versus Hill, the Supreme Court held in 1987 that such speech directed at law enforcement is fully protected. But her disorderly conduct charge was based on her physical behavior, not her words. Speech is protected, conduct is not. Procedural concern. Subject 1 alleged an officer ended her call to a potential bondsman mid-custody. Absent exigent circumstances, that raises Fifth Amendment due process concerns, unresolved on this record. Grades, deputies B. Multiple warnings, proportionate force, sound policy decisions. Deduction, the phone call allegation and insufficient early communication of legal consequences. Subject 1, Serena Zephyr, C+. Legally aware but tactically self-defeating. Refusal to vacate triggered the arrest. 2 controlled substances turned that arrest into a felony case. Subject 2C, watched her companion get arrested for the same conduct. Did it anyway. Protected speech, unprotected behavior. Gate agent B+, clear briefing, proactive response, Legally sound
I don't
decision
care,
making
and I can
throughout.
walk on my
Key
own.
takeaways.
You don't have to hold me so tight. That's the fucking problem.
My responsibility.
Now I'm your responsibility. But I was not your responsibility when you stood there an hour before you arrested me, and you stood there and watched me buy a drink. You stood there and watched me buy another drink on top of that. Why am I being so loud? Because you were loud when you arrested me in front of all the passengers that I bought a flight to get on. Do you understand that? And that's why I'm going to jail, because I bought a ticket to get on a flight with other passengers. That's why? Make it make sense. What you just said. Make it make sense. You can't. I don't make it easy at all. I work for corporate America too. I'm a U.S. citizen. I pay taxes. I don't give a fuck about what you're talking about.
Can you tell me if you know deputy at 325?
Please do not tug and pull on me.
Ma'am, I'm just escorting you.
You can say something out of your mouth. Right, left. I work hard. In this fucking country, I work 2 jobs. And you trying to tell me I can get on a flight because I had an extra drink? I work hard for that extra drink. The fuck is you talking about? I don't care. I don't care. Come on. Where's the truck? Let me get my bologna fucking sandwich since you want to take me to jail so bad.
Give me a second. Where's your phone?
Where's my phone? Friend, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
I cannot talk to my friend because she's probably going to be the one to bomb me out. So you don't want nobody to help me. Okay, bet. Can you let me go? I have the handcuffs on.
Yes.
But you don't want nobody to help me either. You disconnect the call from my friend.
Relax.
No, because you're being a fucking asshole. You disconnected the call from me and my best friend. The only person that's going to help me. The only person that's going to help me.
Can you hold it?
From where? Where am I going?
Yes.
But why did you hang up my phone call? Why did you hang up my phone call? Oh, you need him to go.
No. Turn around.
Why did you hang up my phone call? Why did you hang up my phone call? Stop pushing me. Stop pushing me. Let him touch me. Let them touch me. No, I don't want him. I don't want him to touch me. No, he's been extra pressure. I don't want him to.
Do you have anything on you that's going to bump you?
No, I do not.
Okay.
I do not. I do not.
Good.
I just don't like the way he's pressuring me. And he hung up the phone on my best friend, the only person that I have that can possibly bond me out. He's trying to prove a point. Do it look like I have a phone?
I don't know.
I do not.
It's the phone, okay?
This is so unfortunate. I pay a ticket to fly out the airport. Now they're doing the most at the fucking airport. What is this for?
Pat down.
No. Can you be honest?
I just
You
walked
gonna
up.
hold it?
Woman
Yes.
to woman. Be honest.
Disorderly intox.
What do you want to bring with you?
Everything, obviously. It's my important.
The bag's not going.
I need to call my daughter.
Oh,
My
almost
important.
too late. Too late.
Too late for what?
Too late.
Too late for what?
You want to bring? Listen.
Too late for what?
What do you want to bring with you?
But too late for what? You said too late. I don't know what you're saying. Why is he saying too late?
Just take that with the purse.
What is too late?
You get a phone call when you go down to the
But
jail.
what are you talking about?
You
too
get a
late?
phone call when you go down to the jail.
I'm asking about what you said about too late.
Disregard what I said.
Disregard what you said.
Is he
Lee
taking?
Powell?
So I'm gonna put. You're gonna bring your phone with you and your purse will go inside.
My wallet is the main important thing in my phone.
What's your wallet? This?
Right in your hand with the purse. All that goes together. You can stuff the wallet inside of the purse and it'll all fit. Thank you so much. And then my suitcase, if you don't want to take it, that's fine. And the food that I got with it, that's fine. But what I'm not going to do is allow you to treat me any way less than what the law allows. Thank you. What is my charge again?
Watch yourself.
Officer?
I'm not arresting you. I'm transporting you.
Oh, you're transporting. Can you tell me what the charge
He'll
is?
tell you.
Oh, you can't tell me?
No, I can't.
Okay, fine. Can you open the door?
He unlocked it. Relax.
Take it easy. Relax. Let me see. You got a paper bag, bro?
What is the policy?
You have to wear shackles when you're on your way to the jail. When you're
Because of what?
that's part of our policy.
You're not giving me the full policy. What is the policy? Don't worry about it.
You want your seatbelt on? Yeah, I'll put a seatbelt on. Here, give me the seatbelt. I'll put her in.
All right, we're going to seatbelt you, okay?
So it's a seatbelt instead of shackles on the feet?
Listen.
Is that how that works?
Listen, the seatbelt's for your safety, okay? You move over a little bit.
I don't have a problem with seatbelt, but you said instead of the shackles on my wrist, I had to put shackles on my legs. Okay. You wanted me to put shackles on my legs as per protocol? I will be.
All right.
I'ma call you. Please. My bag is right here.
Listen.
I got my passport.
Look here.
And my American ID right here.
Look here. You're gonna calm down, or you're gonna end up with your friend. All right.
I paid too much money to work
Hey.
and understand what's going on.
Hey. Understand this.
Hold this.
No,
Hold this.
I'm not holding that.
Okay, well I'll hold it.
If you listen to me, if you don't calm down, you're gonna end up with your
Where am I? I am American U.S. citizen. Okay, I will. My ID is right here. Can you grab that with your big lip? Please. No, baby.
400 I'm not supposed to be on a half of that. With the other female, she's acting up here, so just grab your knife.
That's my ID.
Come here.
Can you grab that?
1. Your ticket does not guarantee your seat. A contract of carriage is enforceable the moment you purchase. No warning required. 2. Compliance is a legal strategy. Both subjects had a path out with no charges. Both forfeited it. The law does not require unlimited warnings. 3. A lawful arrest unlocks a full search. Under Robinson, everything on your person, no warrant needed. What you carry determines what an arrest becomes. 4. The First Amendment protects what you say, not what you do while saying it. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like analyzed in the comments below. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to check out Street Bodycam for more police interaction.
Can you grab right here before I move in my U.S. ID?
You get it.
All right, I will grab it right here in my mouth. Don't move. No, I'm sorry. Can you grab my U.S. ID?
Why are you screaming?
Can you grab my U.S. ID?
Just grab it. I said, put it in.
My U.S. ID is right here.
Your ID, mommy. Why are you screaming?
I don't want to move until I get my U.S. ID. Can I get my U.S. ID? 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 I'm not moving until I get my U.S. ID.
You gotta get
No.
I got you. Yeah. I got you.
I need my U.S. ID.
You're gonna get it. Hit me. I got you on the next side.
Can I get my U.S. ID?
I got you.
Can I get my U.S. ID? Can I get my U.S. ID? Can I get my U.S. ID? What's the thing is, you know her situation? Her situation is we took her off the flight before.
Yeah, I know. And the other one just got arrested for the same crap.